I just wanted to briefly talk about how to make life a bit easier when you're writing WordPress article. I've got one here. That's all well and good, and I've got my headings and I've got my paragraphs. The problem is, it's just one great big document. So what do I do? Well, if I want to divide it up into bits, what I can do is go into the code editor and just do select all and copy and head over to lessbs.uk. Go to HTML sections, paste the whole thing in, click the process to sections button, copy the result, and then overwrite everything. And you see what it does is it just makes me a little set of chapters, with a little back to top of page button at every single, and it just makes life a little bit easier, because it means if I've got a particular section that applies to something that I want to link to from somewhere else, I can do that, and I can make it just look that little bit more like someone's care, because it's very, very useful. If I've got a particular section about, who are these people, what is this, I can copy that link and I can link to it from another page, and that makes a lot of difference when you're talking about SEO.